In order to launch the CAD system, please double-click the icon that looks like this and says Inform Mobile. After clicking it, an Update or small tab will pop up. Do not close this up. It needs to run in the background in order to update software versions when updates are available. If there are any available software updates, press OK. This is the general login page. We can see our status is logged out. You need to enter your assigned run and block number, and vehicle number if you are assigned one. You need to go on the unselected tab below and type your general ID number. After finding it, click it. It should be displayed on the selected tab to your right. If you have any additional crew members as a squad, select their general ID numbers too. After doing so, please enter the main crew member's general ID. Enter your DedSec password after that. You can press Login after that. After logging in, please make sure that the top right corner says System OK in neon green. This is to ensure that you are connected correctly. If you ever see this section red with system error, immediately call radio control. The first thing you will see in the top is the top header menu. You can use this one to log in, log off, different channel queries, messages, drafts, members, calls, status, tools, options, and help. In the row below, you will see your member ID number, block number, and run or call sign number. You will also see schedule deviation data. This is where your schedule data will appear at all times. You can also see the CAD number from your assignment. Finally, there is the status bar in which you can change it to different status. You can put in service, not in service, non-revenue, clear, available off, responding or arrived, or miscellaneous. After that, you can also see the main row with the F keys. The F1 is the query button. The F2 will give you access to data brokers and caller ID data for person, phone numbers, and addresses. The F3 plate key redirects you to the DMV database. The F4 gives you geolocation data. Keep your location data always on. The F5 key is another status button to change your status. The F6 key is a traffic button to see other DedSec traffic and TP data. The F7 key allows you to add an incident. The F8 directs you to your inbox. F9 key directs you to the members list. F10 gives you additional options like changing to dark mode. F11 allows you to request talk to radio control. This will only work if you have a radio or paired with the MDT. F12 is the priority request to talk button and should only be pressed in very urgent situations. The F12 key is equivalent to your orange emergency button. Back redirects you to your previous page. On the row below we can find color buttons that are immediate status items. The NCIC database, court records from the San Francisco Superior Court, undo and redo actions in the CAD, print action, map, change block or run button that allows you to change your block or run number in case of a run trade or other circumstance. The responding code section, this will blink neon cyan when there is a pending incident. The remaining two are system indicators that everything is okay. This will tell you on which channel you are connected. Each division has a different channel. GPS OK should always be displayed ensuring that the geolocation data is accurate and working. System OK should always be green, never red. This ensures that the CAD system is working and connected. If you ever see that this box is red and says system error, click it and go to the servers page. After doing so, reload the servers to ensure that they are working. If this does not fix your issue, contact your radio control through your radio handset. Make sure that it is disconnected from Bluetooth or any cables. Back to the query. Below the button rows is the current incident information. If no incident is assigned, it will display your current location, coordinates, current time, and time point data. These are action buttons to the call that allows directions or map information. The green button is to request 10 to 25. Below that is the query. The query always displays the most recent incident or problem at the top. The query allows you to see incidents by assigned run, time, location, status, problem codes, and description. It also has a direct view button to see the full incident information. You can also use this system with the dark, night mode. Click the More button, and select Dark, Night mode. When assigned to an incident, you should hear a message similar to this one.
Incident assigned.
Proceed to route. Proceed to route.
When you click View on an incident, you can see the specific incident details. Address information, status, comments, license plate information, subject description and information. You can also add additional comments, subjects, or data. There is also the Messages tab. When there is any information relayed through text, a message will be sent out. To know whether there are new messages, the F8 box will be in cyan blue. When you click this box, you will see your inbox. Any messages sent out to you directly or to your sector, division or citywide messages will be displayed here. If you need to reply or add a message, you can click the Add Message tab. You can select the recipient's message type, subject, and then you can write the message. After completing your message, click Send. If you want to see the list of other active runs, you can click the Members tab. This will display their run, block, user, status, division and sector or location. Back to the query. If you ever need assistance, you can click the Request 10 to 25 button in green letters located below the F8 box. It will redirect you to the Request 10 to 25 page. You can select your problem code and responding priority code. If it is about a specific assigned incident, you can select the To line and select Current Incident. If there is no incident yet, you can leave it as unassigned. If you want to add a message, you can. After that, click Send Message. If Control is ever calling you back, you will see in the top right that there is a blinking neon green box that says Pick up handset like this on. This sound will also appear when there is a group listen. This will only work if you have a radio connected to the MDT by wire or Bluetooth. Back to the query. If you want to see your scheduled assignments, you can click the Traffic F6 box and click the TP attendance data. This might also be a required form to fill out depending on your assignment. Here you can see your assignments by time, travel or given completion time, location, mark, we will get to that in a second, information, notes, and clothing data. So for the mark column, this is for attendance purposes. Some assignments require you to take down attendance and clothing information. You can mark the subject as positive, absent, unknown, or not applicable. The attendance marks are set as positive by default, so please be careful. The info column just provides a link with detailed information about the subject such as name or picture. Back to the query. These are all of the basic functions that you will be using daily. When you log off the system, you need to use the Login, Log Off button in the top left corner. Click Log Off. Never use the top right X. That is not the correct way to log off.